Alamak. Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view. As we can see behind us, the Jambliathong, which represent the five clans of Karbi, as we all know. And I'm going and I will show you the
Jambliton.
and and I'm going to show you the time lapse as well. And I'm going to show you the time lapse, and we will go to the. I'm going to the. I'm going to the. Henry, we will do it. uh, and I'm going to the. And I'm going to show you not there. And I'm going to show you the time lapse, and we will go to the different places as well to spotting. And actually, this video is. And well, actually, I made this video especially for all my friends from abroad, as they are requested me to make a video from English. And actually, I try my English, so if and over there. And well, actually, and well, I make this video especially for all my friends from abroad and from different states of India, because they are. Are you not tired?
One, two, three.
Well, one, three.
One, two.
Mama.
Oh, one, two, three.
Welcome to the sunny day of Difu, guys. Now I'm going to. Welcome to the sunny day of Difu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view of Europe. As we can see, as we can see behind us in Jamliathon, which represent the five clans of Karbis, as we all know. And well, I'm going to show you one more.
One, two, three.
Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view, as we can see behind us, Jamliathon, which represent the five clans of Karbi. That's we all know. And well, I'm going to show you time lapse of yours. And 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 I and I'm going to show you the time lapse of yours, and we will go to the different places as well. Let's go.
One, two, three.
Welcome to the Welcome to the sunny day of Difu, guys. Now I'm going to show you the view of welcome to the sunny day of Difu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view of, as you can see, the no tempi. This is not tempi, man. La nang sing ni karjulom khangune ne sing wikaro ingjarji monela hanang sing bialong hanang sing bialong kadong kacing hon jirpu jirpi don kado ke betami pun panang cirkuk lak lang pesining thelo. Pini alamar jana bangkai ilitum kacing honai aprang penar jupom bang bom ilitum kacing honan alun sempi bari rong tharpi alangli live performance kilun pondo lasi ilitum mupen ili hektipe tame ining kha jane si mon lun chom la labang so alun live performance le langponi dona pini labang so alamar jan bipasini li keselam pondet mate kyablut pondet ma thekela bagela puson ho nili texer ser abang ku bang pitumhan metang karbi tum texer ser abang ku bang pitumhan pachi thang tung lasi lan so se texer reset abang ku bang pitumhan lan so se pachi thang no na lasi langli tumhan da tuning rilo labang so lamarjan lang tang de loknote ye ser bang pangreng kringtha pathir krukha lasi todang de non lang ke lamarjan mate live video ke perform se lang koni lo la de
Play. 1, 2, 3. Take one.
Welcome to the sunny day of Bifu, guys. Now I'm going to welcome to the sunny day of Bifu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view of Tong, as we can see behind us. I'm going to show you the time lapse as well. And well, guys, now I'm going to film with my smartphone, A83. Not a A3, not a A380, okay? A380. Those who love aviations, they will know what is A380. Okay, well, let's take a look at the view as well as the time lapse as well here again. Well, guys, now we are here at the rooftop, a restaurant. Uh, Now I'm going to be spotting from here. Look at the view. That's so amazing, right?
Bagaimana Mihio? Janaga naman.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu. Today I'm going to show you the spotting view as well as that time lapse view of behind us. See lang.
1, 2, 3. Kalilitin na dyan.
Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view of the Tong, as we can see behind us. Check that. Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to spotting the view of the Thong, as we can see behind us. And hey, guys, now it's done the filming. So now I'm going.
1, 2, 3.
Well, guys, now let's go to the another place to make more spotting video as well as spotting the view. Let's go.
2, 3.
Okay, then let's see the spotting view as well as the time lapse of from here, and we will go to the different place as well. Let's go.
Tinawag talaga eh. Nasa busy na, doon ang kutsi.
Well, guys, going to I'm going to film with my smartphone. That is Oppo A3. A3. Kali lah pergi kasi may betul. Aku pengen lapun Aisyah kan.
1, 2, 3. Ay, kaya lang folklore.
Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Today I'm going to show you the spotting view as well as the okay, okay then take okay then Okay, then watch the view as well as the time lapse of yours. Let's go.
Tao cái này không.
Ang song ni lama. Ana chok lama.
Lá cho bố.
Okay, then let's check out the view as well as the time lapse. Okay, then.
Ờ. Đấy, thế này.
Chọc bóng luôn đi.
Dah, ang lên thật vàng. Tolong situnon lah. Welcome to the sunny day of Tifu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view.
1 2 3.
Welcome to the sunny day. Well, wait, nang mula pa na. Creative man. Wait.
Thằng đây.
Bằng người ta. Cái này hấp phụ lang hấp phụ bằng phí nó đây video bằng đây.
Nah.
Rất là lắng xịn vừa.
Rồi đi đây bạn này.
Đây này.
Yes, ini style lagi ho, ini signature lo. Cinematic video pati tu baik. Kono biar pen ha.
Là phụ đó. Đấy, tao đang thấy cái gì đó.
Bạn đây.
Thôi là phụ sĩ biết không phụ? Mà cái phụ hả? Cái phần em